In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Venmo to MoneyLion. If you're looking to streamline your financial transactions and make it easier to manage your money, connecting these two platforms is a great step. Let's walk through the process together. First, start by navigating to your MoneyLion homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This search bar is your gateway to connecting various services and exploring features within the MoneyLion platform. Now, in that search bar, go ahead and type the word Venmo. This action will initiate a search for integration options related to Venmo on MoneyLion. It's the quickest way to find what you're looking for without having to scroll through various menus. As you type, suggestions might pop up, but continue typing Venmo to ensure you're directed to the correct service. After the search results load, you'll see an option labeled Venmo. Click on it. This is your next step in the integration process. Clicking on Venmo will direct you to the page where you can finalize the connection. This step is crucial as it allows you to set up the integration, enabling you to manage your finances seamlessly between the two apps. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully connected Venmo to MoneyLion. This connection means you can now transfer money and perform transactions more conveniently, making your finance management a bit smoother. To recap, start on the MoneyLion homepage, type Venmo in the search bar, and click on the Venmo option once it appears. It's a straightforward process, but if you have any questions or run into any issues, MoneyLion's customer support is always there to help. Connecting your MoneyLion and Venmo accounts not only simplifies your financial activities, but also provides a comprehensive view of your finances in one place. It's an efficient way to track spending, manage funds, and ensure you're always on top of your financial game. Remember, technology is here to make your life easier, so take advantage of these integrations to enhance your financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your financial apps. Until next time, take care and happy managing.